Alright, good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polygon Vlogs. So this day we will be talking about area of a polygon with the given coordinate. So take note, this is analytic geometry. So when I handle this one, this is pre-calculus. Okay, for grade, I guess this is grade 12 or grade 11. Alright, so area of a polygon with given coordinates. I hope that this topic was discussed during your STEM class or high school class or senior high school class. So this is just a mode of recap. So let's have the area of a polygon with a given coordinates. So the area of a polygon with a given coordinates, very easy for this part because we are just going to follow the matrices. So take note, if this is area of a polygon, if we have here the polygon like this, okay, this is a triangle, this is A, and this is B, and this is our C. So we need to find if this is x sub 1, y sub 1, and this is x sub 2, y sub 2, and this is x sub 3, y sub 3. To find the area of a polygon, we have to have the direction rotation should be in a counterclockwise direction to express positively oriented vertices. So to find for this part, we have here A is equal to 1/2. So we need to have a vertices or the matrices rather. So if we have here x sub 1, y sub 1, you're going to input and it should be like this, going here and going here and going here. Okay, go back to the original. So take note, we have here, if I started here as a point, you could start here, the same answer if we're going to start here with letter C as well. So let's try that one when have a problem. Okay, so x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3, and x sub 1, y sub 1. It go back here, right? So this is the direction again. So here, here, and here. So we have here, it goes back to the original or the point of initial point where you started. Okay, so we have here how to get this part. If we're going to multiply here like that, this is a positive side. So x sub 1, y sub 2. Then plus, positive, we have x sub 2, y sub 3. And x sub 3 plus x sub 3, y sub 1. If we're going to get up here, this is minus. If the result is negative, then this is minus, it will become positive. So we have here minus since we assume that the positive result here. So x sub 2, y sub 1. Here, minus x sub 3, y sub 2, and minus x sub 1, y sub 3. Alright? So if that is a 4 points, so just show here like this. If the 4 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3, x sub 4, y sub 4, and go back to x sub 1. So the same here, that is how to compute the angle between the area of a polygon with a given coordinates rather. Alright, so find the area of a triangle with the given vertices 1, 2, -2, -1, and 3, 0. So, okay, so we have here, we're going to have a plot here. Okay, so the first point is 1 and 2. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. And second one is -2 and -1. And the 3, 0. 3 and 0. Okay, so the plot here is 3, 0. I guess this is right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3, 0. Okay. So if you started here like this, here, 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 you can start here, 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 here. All right. So let's have two solutions for this one. If I started with this point, So we have here area is equal to 1/2. If I started here 3, 0, it should be in a counterclockwise. So here, going here, and here, and here. Okay, so 3, 0, 1, 2, negative 2, negative 1, and go back to 3, 0. So first is multiply here. This is 3 times 2, that is 6. 1 times negative 1 minus 1. 2, negative 2, that is plus, that is 0. You can have 0. So this is minus 0, negative 2, and since it's negative 2 times 2, it will become negative since the direction is going up. So negative minus, that is plus 4, right? And this is negative, so therefore plus 3. Alright, so again, going up, that is minus. Since the result is negative, you change the sign and proceed to addition. Okay, so this is 1/2. So 1/2, so this is 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13, minus 1, that is 12. Okay, so we have here 12 divided by 2, that is 6 square units. So to find the area, so the area is equal to 6 square units. So let's try if we started here as 1 and 2. So A is equal to 1/2. So if we started in 1 and 2, we still the same answer. So negative 2, negative 1, 3, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so 1/2. So this is negative 1, right? This is plus 0 plus 6. All right, minus, this is negative 4. Since going up, this will become plus 4. This is going up, so this is negative plus 3 and plus 0. So we have 1/2. So 6, 4, 3, 30 minus 1, that is 12. So same answer, we have 6 square units. So A. So even though you started here, I started here first, same answer when I started here in 1 and 2. So therefore, we could have a multiple ways of solving this one. Okay? So as long as the direction is a counterclockwise direction. So let's start, let's have number 2. Okay, so if this is number 2, so same process, or same still, if where we have to start, we have to go back with the first point. So even though this is area of a polygon, which is a four-sided angle or polygon, so still we could have the same answer even though what point you started. Okay, so we have to plot here. Okay, so 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 1. Oh no, right, 3 and 1. So this is the first point. There it is 3 and 1. And negative 1 and 5. Okay, negative 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 1 and 5. And negative 5. Right. Negative 5 and 1. Okay. Negative 5, right, and 1. Okay. Next we have negative 1 and negative 3. Okay. Negative 1, negative 3. So this is polygon, which is quadrilateral, four-sided. So again, kahit saan ka mag-start here, same answer. So when I will be starting here, even though you started here, still we do have the same answer. So I'll just start here. Area is equal to 1/2. We'll start here 3, 1. So 3, 1, negative, negative 1 and 5. So negative 5 and 1, negative 1 and negative 3. And go back to 3 and 1. Okay, again. Okay, the last point, the first and the last is the same. So take note, we need to graph this one because there are sometimes that this is not in order. So if stated in order, maybe graphing would not be essential, but still I require you to graph because that is important if you learn. Okay, so, and we need to have the direction like this. Okay, so need to put a direction so that I could be able to know because it's analytic geometry and we are online class. Okay, so 1/2. Okay, 1/2. So this is 3 times 5, that is 15. Negative 1 minus 1. This is plus 15 minus 1. Negative 1, so therefore plus 1. Negative 25, so therefore plus 25. Negative 1, so therefore plus 1. And this is negative 9, so therefore plus 9. So 1/2, if this is the area, so we have 15 plus 15, 30 plus 25, 55 plus 1, okay, 56 plus, alright, well, we could have to cancel this one. Okay, okay, okay. So this is 30, 55, and 64. Okay, so the area is 1/2 of 64. That is 32 square units. Alright. So again, so even though you started here, I started here, but if you started here, the same answer. Okay, that's number 2. So number 3, find the area of the triangle with the given vertices 2, 3, 5, 7, and 4, negative 2. Okay, so try at home, not same pattern or the point where we started. I started. So this is 2 and 3. 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. And 4 and negative 2. Okay. Okay. I will start here and try at home you start here. Okay. 5, 7. And other kids start here, but you have to start here. That's included in your try this. Start here 5 and 7. Try this. Start here 5 and 7. Okay. So me to start here today. So if I started here for negative 2, okay, part here, try this, try this dito. You include this. You start here. 4, negative 2, 5, and 7, 2, 3, and 4, negative 2. Right? So A is equal to 1/2. Okay, so this is 7 times 4. That is equal to, okay, 20. Okay, 4 times 7. 28, 15, minus 4. This is negative 10, so it becomes 10. 14, since this is positive, just write the inverse. This is positive 12 minus 12. Okay, so 1/2 of this part. So we have 28 plus 15 minus 4 plus 10 minus 12 and minus 14. So this is negative and this is negative. So negative 4 minus 14, that is negative 20, negative 18. This is minus plus 12, that is 30. So 30, and the side here is 25, 53. 30 minus 53 is equal to 23. So area is equal to 11.5 square units. Okay, so that's 11.5 square units. Next problem, which is number 4. Okay, so in number 4, we have find the area of a polygon with the given vertices. Alright, so first is we have to compute here. So this is negative 2 and 3. We need to graph negative 2 and positive 3. And negative 3 and 4. Five and 1. And 2, 2. Oh, okay. Okay. So I will start here 2 and 2. And this is part of your try this. You start here. Try this. So I give you now 2 additional answer to be solved. A is equal to 1/2. So if I started 2, 2, so this is 2, 2, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 3, negative 4, and 5, and negative 1. And go back here with 2 and 2. So if the area is equal to 1/2, so this is 6, this is plus 8, plus 3, plus 10. And up we have negative 2 times 2, that is 4, since change the sign, plus 4, plus 9, change the sign, plus 20, plus 2. So if we're going to add this one, so we have here 6, 8, 13, 10, 4, 9, 20, and 2. So if we're going to add, A is equal to 1/2 of 62. So therefore area is equal to 31 square units. Okay, so that's the area when you compute. Again, try this one at home. You'll start here. Okay. Number 5, if the area of a triangle's vertices are negative 3, 4, x 3, 5, 7 is 11.5, find the value of x. Okay. So let's graph. Okay, let's have a graph. I forgot to write here, graph here, graph here. So negative 3. Okay. So negative 3 and 4. X is equal to x and 3. 5, 7. Where's 5, 7 here? 5 and okay, 5, 7. If we're going to plot x3, so this is positive. Okay, x3. Okay, so this is x3 probably. If we're going to graph here, probably x and 3, right? X 3. We don't know because we do not know the 3. So as long as here, like this, in this part. So we have here the area, so we cannot graph because x is unknown. So 1/2 of, so we will start, we could not move the x here. So here, it should be here in this part. Okay, moving forward. So if we started this negative 3 and 4, okay, so this is x and 3, 5 and 7, so negative 3 and 4. So if we're going to simplify, this is 11.5, so 1/2, so this is negative 9 plus 7x plus 20, and this is plus 4x. I know minus 4x because going up, and this is minus 15 and plus because the inverse of this one is negative. Okay, so 11.5 is 1/2, so this is 3x. Okay, this is 9 plus 20, negative 9 plus 20 plus minus 15, 21. That's equal to plus 17. Okay, so cross multiply this one, 11.5, that is equal to 23. Is equal to 3x plus 17. So 23 minus 17 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 23 minus 17 over 3x. Okay, so 23 minus 17, that is equal to 6. Okay, so 6 over 3. So x is equal to 2. So understood, this is x is equal to 2, and this is here 2 and 3. So this is now, the area of this one is 11.5, and the point that we're looking is x is equal to 2. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. So we have here, try this at home. So we have here 3 problems plus additional 1. The 2 you have to solve, and 5 problems at this time. So find the area of the pentagon connecting with the points 3, 0, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. So just read the problem and solve. Make sure to have a graph in each problem possibly. Alright? So dapat may graph, because that would mean that you understood the lesson. If you could be able to graph. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope everyone you enjoy this moment. And please do not forget to subscribe this channel, and please share to everyone so that everyone should be happy. If you have some questions, you may raise your questions. You can provide us in the comment box, and also you could message me in the messenger. Thank you so much.